Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. This is Monique, and I am here today to share with you guys the progression of getting my courtyard fixed up into the beautiful space that it is currently. And that started with my husband power washing off the whole thing. The person who lived here before us prior, I don't know if it was them or the people before them, but they had several layers of paint on the concrete. So we could not just paint over it, otherwise it would have bubbled up and looked absolutely horrible. So my husband decided to go ahead and just power wash the walls just to get the dirt and grunge off of them, and then start on the actual concrete line by line to get this paint off. It was quite an ordeal. It took him about 3 to 4 days. So shout out to Big Mike's Window Cleaning. So as you can see, I went upstairs to get a better view of the flooring so that you could see exactly how bad it was. So after we finished up getting all the flooring off, we went to Lowe's and got some Valspar paint with the indigo cloth color to paint. Now these are the colors that they had on the wall. I wasn't feeling any of these, so I went with this beautiful blue, which is indigo cloth. And here you can see me just getting in there and getting it done. I like to paint early in the morning or late at night, sometimes in the middle of the night. It just depends on my mood. But I feel that I do better when I paint in the middle of the night for some reason. I kind of feel like time stops. I'm sure I know it's all in my mind, but hey, whatever works, you know, find what works for you and do that. So here you see that I've gotten a nice amount done, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color, but I ran out of paint, and this is what happened next.
Hello, 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 and happy Saturday. It's Saturday for me. I don't know what day you're watching this, day or night, week or day, whatever. Let's talk about this. You see that? You see how dark that part is and then how light that part is? Well, I painted it and it was looking all good. I ran out of paint, went to go get some more, brought it home, started painting it. It was dark, and I realized the color wasn't looking right. Then I took it in the house and blow dried it and compared it to the other paint, and I realized that this color is the wrong color. But in the box, it looks like the right color. It did not look like the wrong color. And so now, that's what I'm gonna start working on right now, is repainting the spots that are really dark. I did not want it that dark. Also, it's a high gloss. I did not want a high gloss. So, getting ready to work on that. And I will check back in with you guys.
We've got us a new floor. It looks amazing. What a difference just 2 coats of paint can make in a space. It's just amazing. So we're moving on to the next spot, furniture. So my furniture came today. Here it is. I'm taking it apart. I know I look a mess. Pay that no mind. Those are pillows there. Some of the pillows. So I'm really just going through it. This is furniture for my courtyard. At the moment, I am redoing, I'm reupholstering the sofas in my living room. So I've got a lot of projects going on. Thank God I have a husband that doesn't mind putting things together, because he put all of this together for me. Every last piece. I felt horrible about it, but you know, that's what men are for. Good men anyway. So the next stage is making the slip covers. These beautiful rich colors. Like I said, this is just for the seasonal aspect of things. I'm sure that I'll be changing out different types of the same cobalt blue color for different seasons. I can't wait to do fall, because I'm probably going to go with some orange and cobalt blue. I'm not sure, but it's just exciting to kind of swap out different colors, patterns, accessories seasonally, and just get different looks. So these pillows I made, I got the Walmart of all places. It was $6.78 a yard, and I think I purchased maybe 3 yards of this fabric, just because at the time I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. So the next thing I wanted to do was to add some accessories, and for that I wanted to shop my home first. And so what I did is I went through my house and pulled out things that could be utilized in the space. Here you see me spraying these little lanterns
They're from Pier 1. I've had them for years. So the next thing I wanted to do was to begin the layout of sofa and rug. As you can see it, I purchased the rug from Target for $120. And so now I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful space.
Okay, you guys, good morning. We are outside this morning. Check it out, the courtyard. This is the finished look for now. There are some other things I would like to do out here, but I am satisfied with right now. I need to remove that paper off my apricot tree. I put that here just temporarily because it was burning up in the backyard. So we'll start on the side over here. I'll give you a back view of it here so you can see the space. Still working on that side over here. I just have my Bluetooth and Alexa so I can hear my music when I'm out here. But this is the main place. Over there, we'll work on that later. So here I have my grape tree. As you can see, this is a zestful waterfall grape tree. And there are some grapes starting to develop there. Okay, so that's that. I've got some candles here. Down here, I've got a couple of candle holders that I shopped from my home. You know, you always want to shop your home before you start buying stuff. Shop your home first before you run out to the stores, because you might find something that's useful and can save yourself a little bit of money. So over here on this table, over here, I have some little candle holders that I got from Pier 1 many years ago. Way back when I was working at the San Diego airport, they had a Pier 1 outlet next to the airport that I used to shop at frequently. So they used to be silver or gold. I painted them white because I wanted the white to match the white candle holders here. So I've got some mosquito candles in there just to ward off mosquitoes, and a tree here. Now this tree, I want to get another one to place on the other side back there. So I will be doing that probably today, really. It doesn't get too hot. For the table, I had bought these wine barrel containers for like planting, but I thought it would be the perfect size to use as an actual table here, and then I can do some tablescaping inside of there if I want to. So that's why I chose to use this little configuration. And the glass table we already previously had in the garage just sitting there. I brought out one of my little jewelry box cases that I'll put some candles and whatnots in. Candles and lighters. Got a couple of seashells here. Another candle, that's just a regular candle to smell good. Here's the main sofa. Do have my blanket because I sit out here at night and in the morning. The pillows with the decor on them, I made those. Made slip covers for the original pillows. So the ones that are in there did come with the set, but they were the same color blue. I did not want them to be, so I made 2 for this sofa, as well as 2 lumbar pillows over here. So I've got 2 of those that I made for that part of the sitting chairs, okay? So this side over here is a direct image of this side over here, and that was done purposely. I wanted it to be balanced, so everything is exactly the same. If I step back, you probably can see that, where everything is the same on both sides, aside from the plant, which I said I'm gonna go and pick another one up so that it can be unified, okay? Same thing with the candle holders. They're the same candle holders as the other side. So I gotta get some cleans for these windows so you can't see through to the garage, because that is the garage behind there. So this picture I also got from shopping my home. I plan on putting a white frame around it. I just have not found one that I like yet. So when I do that, it will go with the rest of the white and kind of make it centered, in my opinion. So that's the plan with that. The candle holders, really nice size, the big size candle wall sconce. I picked those up from Hobby Lobby the other day. And I'll insert a clip of me and my excitement in Hobby Lobby. So I picked up 2 of those, and they were on sale for $17.99, and they're normally like $69.99. So I was excited about that. The candles that are inside of them are the flameless candles. You see that? So they're the ones that won't burn your house down because they're not real, but they look real. And I found those on sale for, how much did I pay for those? They're normally $45 and I paid $20 each. So that was nice. So we're in the courtyard, in case you haven't ever seen it. That's my bedroom up there. My bedroom's up there. But the courtyard is open to the sky all the way around. All the way around it. It's completely open to the sky. It's in the middle of my home. So it's in the middle of my house. And because it is in the middle of the home, I wanted to make sure that everything was cohesive as far as color and detail, design. I didn't want it to be too busy, but I'm not a plain Jane, so I definitely wanted to make sure there were some accessories and decor pieces out there. Like I said, I have plans on putting some waterfalls on the back wall back there on the ends next to those windows, and I have a couple of more ideas down the line, a fireplace like a real one, and some other things. We are going to get a gas fire pit as well. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show some pics of it at night. And to me, when the sun starts going down, this is the place to be. So sit still and check it out.
Hi guys, I'm in my courtyard.
And so I thought that I would go ahead and insert a clip on how this space looks when it's dark. So this is a very intimate setting. I love candles. I'm a candle lover and have been since I can remember, and so this really works for me. I sit here, listen to my music, and enjoy my time. This new space in the home has really become an oasis for me. This is where I start my morning. This is where I have my wine. It all goes down here. So this space is being enjoyed by all of us. And this is a top view from my balcony. And so that is the courtyard, you guys. That's the courtyard for now. I know it's called something else when it's open to the sky like this, but I can't think of it right now. It's too early. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. So it's barely 6, I think. So that is that. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my courtyard. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember to stay wrapped and scrapped, and don't let anyone stop your creativity, okay? Keep living, keep loving. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.